Hello, today in this video we are going to see how to properly install Mantra MFS 100 biometric device. This includes its installation as well as test. Before installing the Mantra device, we need to check if the computer is able to detect this device when connected to this computer. For this we need to navigate to the device and printer settings. In Windows 10 you can go to it from the settings menu, or in any other versions of video you can directly search for it or go through the control panel. Right now only one device, that is USB mouse, connected to the PC. Now as I connect this MFS 100 device, it is detecting but is telling me driver is unavailable. So we are pretty sure that the computer is detecting the device, only that it is not installed yet. For installing the drivers we need to first download them. For this you can search into Google, download MFS 100 drivers. We need to download drivers for Windows, as in this case. In the search results you can click on this link and it will ask you for a CAPTCHA. Upon submitting this CAPTCHA, you will be navigated through the download page. In here you can have different options available for download, such as RD service, client service, MFS drivers, and drivers for Android. So the things we will need for our installation are this MFS 100 RD service and this MFS 100 client service. We do not need to have driver downloaded specifically or individually, because drivers are included in the client service package. Once the downloads are complete, we can move ahead with the installation. So the downloads are complete. Now we will navigate to the folders where these files are downloaded. It is generally in the download folder. So first we will install Mantra RD service. For this you need to right click and run as administrator. I recommend installing it as an administrator because it will avoid any further issues while capturing a fingerprint. So moving ahead with the installation, we will select the default directory and then click upon install. So here it is showing that the registered device service has been installed. Just to be sure, we will go and check if the registered device service have been installed or not. For this we will go into default directory, that is program files, Mantra, RD service, MFS 100. So here, as we can see these installed files, we can be pretty sure that the RD service has been installed correctly. Now moving ahead with the installation. Now we will install client service, run as administrator as done previously. Click upon next and install. Now here, before the client service installation is complete, it will ask you to allow it to install MFS driver, which is also important. Therefore MFS driver has to be installed first. So again, choosing for the default directory, it will install MFS drivers and then MFS client service. So driver has been installed. Now the client service will also be installed shortly. So the client service has also been installed. So here it will open a test page and a certificate page or a license page, both of which we do not need right now. So we will close this windows. Now we will test the device. We will initialize it and then start capture by keeping our finger on it. So here you can see that the capture has been successfully recorded. We will do it once again just to make sure. So as it's working properly. So we'll now exit here. Now we'll go to the device and printers again to check what's the status of the device right now. So here we can see that MFS 100 is showing and is showing remove device. This shows that our device has been installed and accepted by Windows. I have just removed the device for once. So here you can see that device remove notifications popped up. Connecting the device again to this computer. Device attached. Now it is converting it to the Aadhaar based device, registered device, and it will ask you to unplug and plug it again. So unplugging the device. You can have the device unplugged throughout the installation and just plug the device after the installation complete for testing it. So now device is attached, it is showing up the notification, and it is also showing that framework is ready to use. So now we are sure that a device has been installed successfully. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click upon like, please share it with your friends, and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.